I missed the first part recording. It's funny. There was a big red button that I was supposed to press. And I looked right at it and said, what's that big red button? So, did everybody copy the first part? All right, who wants to take a crack at it?
The first part up to the last call with a slash in it, yes.
Yes, okay. So that's good because we're working on that slash. Notice I keep
Yep.
throwing it in there.
Yep.
All right, go for it.
CQ twice. This is W7ASH twice K. Break.
Okay.
W7ASH twice. This is K6 slash X something.
Okay. Did you get the slash? You got the
I got the
slash.
slash and I got an X and I
Okay.
got the K6, but
That wasn't a 6.
okay.
You added an extra
B,
what, Sue, what was it?
B,
Yeah, KB.
KB, okay.
KB two,
It wasn't KB2.
two,
Close though.
three, three. I'm sorry,
KB3.
three. Yeah.
KB3. Oh, yeah.
And what
Okay.
came after that?
An extra dash, so that would have been a T.
Nope,
No.
I thought it was an X.
it was an
Did,
X.
did, did. Yeah, I
Okay.
got the, okay, so the did, 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 da,
KB3X.
da was the 3.
Yeah,
And
KB3X.
then an X. Yep. Slash. Da, did, da, did.
And then a V?
Nope.
Okay.
Close, but you're about to hear it again.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's
It was
hear
a
it, someone.
slash, it was a /4.
It was a /4.
So KB3X is in 4 land.
Yep.
Okay. And they said, let's see, started out GE, good evening to you.
Yep.
You are, I might have got this wrong, 579. 579.
Anyone want to correct it?
I thought I might have gotten that wrong.
Elizabeth? You're muted.
I got a 429.
Okay, it definitely wasn't 429.
Okay.
Mom?
6.
569.
569.
569.
Okay. 569. And then AT
Yep. At.
I was thinking it was going to be antenna, and then I got confused. But then I got Mount St. Helens
Yep.
twice.
Yep.
Special event station for the volcano.
Yep.
I got that.
How copy KB3X/4 DEW7ASHKN.
Pretty damn good.
Yay.
Nice job.
I ran the Mount St. Helens. I wrote Mountsville ends. And then
Okay.
I went, oh.
Yeah, I was expecting an antenna, so I was confused for a little bit. But having it repeated twice actually helped because I got it the second time.
Yeah.
All right. You
I'm
ready to go?
thinking,
Ready
yeah.
to keep going?
Mhm.
You know, next week, I'm going to just let it run the whole time and not have any breaks because that's what it's really like. So, all right, here we go. Continuing on. Okay, who wants to take a crack at that? Elizabeth, I think it's your turn.
Her name's Betsy,
It is Betsy.
and her QTH might be Quincy.
Yep.
Quincy something.
Uh-huh. Well, what
Think
was
you
that?
threw
What
me-
what was
think
after
there was a
Quincy?
comma or something?
Yep.
'Cause I'm missing the commas and things like that.
Okay.
So I struggled on that one. I write it down and I've missed the next letter. So I got a G after that.
Uh-huh. That is correct. It was. If I can get it to work. Maybe it's disconnected.
And then there was another city in Washington, I think. So who something?
Okay, that's the state.
Oh, Georgia.
Georgia. Okay, Quincy,
Okay.
Georgia.
Quincy, comma, Georgia, right?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. And I could have just guessed that based on the G,
Mm-hmm.
but I didn't.
Okay. And then you got my name is Betsy.
Twice, yep.
Yep. Okay. And after that,
Not so great. I got some letters.
okay.
None of them make sense to me.
Sue,
How copy question mark.
how copy question mark.
Oh, yeah. That's what it was.
W7 ASHDE KB3X/4KN.
KN.
Yeah.
That all sounded really good. I totally buffed the signal report. So
So it's
I
the
did-
numbers. For you, it's the
Yeah.
numbers
I didn't get
For
that
me,
one
it's
at
the
all.
punctuation.
Yeah.
and punctuation. That's why we're doing so much numbers and punctuation. All
What
right.
was it?
What's
What was the
ironic
signal
is-
report, Mom?
I think Barbara's muted.
579.
579. Actually, it
And
was 479.
I got the 4.
It was 479.
Yeah, I got the
I got the
4.
9. Okay, between all of us, we can maybe figure it out.
Yeah.
All right, here we go again.
Okay.
Okay. There we go again. What'd you guys think?
KB3X/4 DEW7ASH break.
Yep.
FBOM Betsy.
So he made
My
a
dad-
mistake there.
My dad sends me FBOG.
Old girl.
Mm, yeah. FBOM Betsy break. My name is Smokey. Smokey break. Running 35 watts to a dipole in the trees break.
Killed
How?
that.
Huh?
You killed that.
I'm good with the antennas, not so good with the RSTs. How copy question mark. KB3X/4 DEW7ASHKN.
You even found my mistake. Nice job.
The OM?
I would probably change it to DR for deer.
Oh, okay.
I think a lot of people just assume you're an OM.
Yeah.
I get them all the time.
Do you?
Yep,
Interesting.
yep.
But
I
that
think
was
they
even
just-
after giving Betsy's name, but
Well, maybe
that's true.
maybe it's a man's name somewhere.
could be a boy named Sue.
Could be a
Could
boy
be.
named Sue.
I almost never give my name, so I assume they're looking me up in QRZ. But if they're not, they're just assuming, and I'm an OM. But
Mhm.
I've never corrected him. It's the same guy a lot of the times. Maybe I should respond. Thanks, DR.
Yeah. Thanks, old. Thanks, very old man.
VOM.
VOM.
BOM.
Permission to say something unrelated and curse WA3RA?
On the way to the what?
I'm asking the meeting if I can say something unrelated, and my father if I can curse.
We can mute him.
What were you saying, Bill? All right. I guess Bill muted himself. All right. So we're going to go back to it. You ready?
I'll just say it before we continue.
Okay.
Because I'm the son of a bitch who named you Sue.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks, John. Thanks, Johnny. Well, I knew I wouldn't be around to help you out, so I did the best I could. Okay, so we're sending some salutations now. All right, who wants to give it a crack? Or take a crack at it, or take a whack at it, if we're talking about pinatas.
Well, I did. I missed some, but W7ASHDEKB3X/4 break. Thanks for the contact
Uh-huh.
on, and I didn't get the number. Something 0 meters.
40
How about
meters.
Elizabeth?
I got 40 meters.
40 meters.
Okay, there you go. Me with my numbers.
It's
Okay.
interesting. So Elizabeth, it's punctuation, and with Sue, it's numbers.
And I got the KN this time.
Excellent.
Okay, then break. Have a great time. Break.
Did you misspell great time?
Spelled out, have a great time.
Oh, you did spell it. Okay.
W7ASHDEKB3X/4KN.
That's exactly it.
One thing that's interesting to me is there's so much abbreviation,
Mm-hmm.
and you only have to give your call sign every 10 minutes.
That's true.
So why on every single exchange? On the
Because
given
honestly, like here or on the air,
on the air, I guess. Here it's probably for practice, right?
it's because I want you guys to practice all the slashes and
Okay.
stuff as much as I possibly can.
Okay, okay. But you wouldn't do this in real life, would you?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, we had the one QSO we did last time or the time before. We did some abbreviations, right? Where you just came back and said K, I think, or
BK.
BK, BE, and then
Yeah.
your call sign.
So
And-
tonight's all about the slashes, and last week was about, or last time was about the BKs.
Yeah, and I'll throw some of those in next time. I'll remember to be a little more terse next time. And you'll notice that when I write it. So, all right, ready to go again? Okay. Let's hear what you thought. Sue, you seem to have a growth coming out of your shoulder.
Yeah, I missed a little bit of that first part because I had a little cat crisis. So I don't know what the first part was.
I got the first two lines and you could do the last two
Oh,
lines.
good.
Perfect.
Teamwork.
So KB3X/4, this is W7ASHKN. I'm not
KN.
trying to make that a number
Well,
anymore.
actually, it was a break. Da 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 da.
Okay. At least I'm not forcing it to be a number anymore. I'm counting and
Exactly.
going, oh, that's not right. Fine business, or FB, Betsy. ES for and, thanks, with an X for the QSO. Then there was a 7 that I didn't quite get from the
Yeah.
volcano.
Uh-huh.
7-3.
7-3.
Oh, 7-3, okay, from the
I
volcano.
got that.
Okay. And then just the closing sequence of KB3X/4, 73, this is W7ASH.
KB3X/4, DE, W7ASH. Did you get the SK?
Yes, I did.
Da 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 da.
Yeah.
Da 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 da. Okay.
Da-da-da-da.
Did it da 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 da. Just go
So
ahead and
the S
say it.
and the K all
Say
run
it.
together.
Say it a few times. Da 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 da.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da. That means I don't want to hear from you anymore right now.
Yep. Da 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 da. Da, da. Okay, here we go with the last part. And then I'll follow it with
7-3 Smoky and GE. Good evening. Break W7ASHTE KB3X/4 SK.
SK, followed by at the end, which is the dit, the classic dit. So what I'm going to do is send you, I'm just going to, because we've still got 10 minutes. What I'm going to do is give you some practice on numbers and pro signs. Because that seems
Great.
to be the things that trip us up most. Okay, here we go. Ready? Just call it out.
7.
7.
Question mark.
Nope.
Oh, that's break.
Nope.
No.
And everybody feel free to unmute yourself and just call it out. Elizabeth, you're still muted. You're still muted.
No, I'm looking back at my notes, so I didn't get it.
Okay. Da 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 da.
No, that I know that, but
So what is it? We're trying to do it completely by ear. Da 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 da. Barbara?
Slash.
No.
If we keep going.
the punctuation, it's like a
It's a
comma.
punctuation. It's a comma.
Okay, so 73 comma or
Well,
7?
no, I'm
You're
just
doing them randomly.
I'm just doing randomly out of my head.
Okay. You're not making a QSO.
Nope. I just want everybody to get used to hearing them and instant recall if we can do it.
Okay.
Question mark.
Let's.
2.
That's a 2. Okay.
That's a break.
That's a break. See, we're getting there. It's
Okay.
It's not instant, but we're getting there. We're burning in new brain cells.
Is that a period?
Nope.
Comma.
No, the
Nope.
comma was
a
dot,
question mark.
dot,
That's a question mark.
Question mark.
That's a comma. That's a question mark.
Okay.
Okay,
We're going to
ready?
use that one a lot.
Yeah. How about this one?
That's a period.
That's a period. Yep.
Okay.
Da 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 da. How about
2.
that's a 2. How about
6.
6? How about see, this is the one. This has got to be. You don't even look it up. You don't look at anything. Da 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 da.
Oh, that's break.
That's a break.
Sorry.
Okay, here we go.
Without the
Uh,
context, it's harder. Sometimes I just get it because of the context, you
yeah.
know.
Well, we're trying to break you with that. We're trying to get okay. That's a break. How about dotted and dotted? And I hope nobody's writing down dots and dashes on the paper.
Only the ones I don't know.
Okay, but you got see, but that's the thing. That's a crutch. We got to get you past the crutch. The crutch is that you can hear it in your head and say dotted and dotted, and you know we're trying to get past that stage of looking on the paper.
Oh,
So
Okay.
dotted and dotted. We heard it a bunch of times today. It's used for portable call signs.
Slash.
That's a
Slash.
slash. Dotted and dotted. Yep. Okay, how about da-da-da-da-da,
SK.
SK. Okay, how about
1.
that's a
One.
1. Very good. Whoops.
Period.
Period. Okay.
The comma again.
That's the comma again. Yep. Okay. Next one.
Can you use those useless commas now?
Oh, I'll do that again.
9.
That's a 9. Very good. How about
Break.
nope. Dotted and dotted. Whoops. Barbara,
That is slash.
that's a slash.
Hmm.
How about
0.
0? Okay, how about da-da-da-da-da-da?
Question mark?
Yep, question mark.
Question mark?
Yep. How about
Oh, that's
Break.
that was a break?
Close to a slash, but not.
No, well, a slash is
Together.
different pattern.
Yeah.
So if you say it out loud, go ahead and do a break. I mean, do a slash.
Da did it da did.
Now, that's one too many dits. Da-da-da-da-da.
Da did it da did. Okay.
Yep.
Da did it da did.
Okay, and what was a break again?
Da did it did da.
Da-da-da-da-da.
No, did da did it da.
Da-da-da-da-da. So one of the cool things we can do is we can set up, if you guys have been using this, we can set up, go back to this,
Put more letters in our
LCWO.
LCW.
Well, what's cool about LCWO now is we can actually go here, and I have to log in. Hope I remember my password. Yay. Okay. So we can go to change CW settings, and we can clear everything, and we can select just, let me clear them all. Okay, we're going to pick not the weird ones. There's a comma. There's a slash. There's the double break, the equal sign. That's the break. And let's pick some numbers. And let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And are we missing anything? We're missing pro signs.
period.
Where was
Oh
the
no,
period?
there's
Yep.
parentheses
Yeah, we don't
and
have to know.
semicolons. Ah,
Yeah, we don't have to know that.
Good.
Okay. And
For all
I
the
don't,
abbreviation, I'm surprised they're used.
yeah. Okay. Now we're going to go to Morse Machine and pick our custom characters. And here we go. When you know what it is, yell it out.
Slash.
Slash. Whoops. Let me do that again.
3. 9. 1.
Slash.
Da 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 da.
Press the space again. I think you get it again.
Comma.
It is a comma.
7. Oh, that's another comma.
2.
Break.
That's a break.
6.
6.
Period.
Yay,
Period.
period. 0.
3.
3. That sounded
4.
funny.
3.
0.
2. 4. Comma.
Yep.
7. Period.
9. 2.
3.
It was a 3. I'll do that one again.
8.
8.
0.
I'll do it
Question
again.
mark.
Question mark. All right. Well, that was excellent. And kind of fun.
Yay.
And it's 9 o'clock. Enough torture
Yeah.
for one night.
Thank you, Scott.
Yeah, but see, that's where you start to notice a difference. I honestly think that when you start to get uncomfortable, that's when your brain does the best work. You know, it's like
Mhm.
right on the edge of when you're starting to really feel sort of like miserable about it. Then that's when your brain actually figures stuff out.
See
I'm
you
in that
guys,
stage.
Dad and Tree.
I don't know that that's true, but it just seems to me that that's true.
We'll take
It
it.
is when you hit a point where you actually stop thinking about it. Your brain just does it without thinking.
Yeah.
Especially if you're writing it down. You look back at the paper and it's like, did I just copy all of that?
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
the slash, the
Dotted
break,
it, dotted it, dotted.
period. Okay.
Now, there's a couple more that we didn't do. Like, let me switch over.
Period. Da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da.
SK.
SK. And then there's this one. Da-da-da-da-da. That means wait. That's the AS. That means wait.
AS.
Yeah. Now, we're used to hearing this. What's this again?
Period.
Yes, very good. Now, there's also this.
Da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da. That means end of message. But you don't hear it all that much. So, but if you're listening to like code practice or a bulletin, you'll hear. And then, of course, if you're listening to like Swedish, you'll hear. Like,
Don't confuse us,
yeah.
Scott.
Well, I don't even know what that means, you know, or you know, like 7 characters or something. So, all right, good work, everybody.